This is our last patient of the today in the course. It's a 67-year-old female patient who has been treated for a squamous cell carcinoma in the esophagus in the summer of 2023, almost 2 years ago. PT1B squamous in distal esophagus was removed, R0, SM1 invasion, no LVI. Has had multiple stenosis after, but then also follow-up. And recently after she was actually eating well, but then it got worse again, so we saw her again, needed a small dilation. And after during the assessment, we found something in the esophagus.
Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. So, Michele, take us through the case. So, just to be clear, previously was there R0 resection of this lesion?
Yes, R0 resection of a moderately differentiated SCC without LVI in the summer of 2023.
Circumferential. And do we have the distances of the resection, although we can probably infer them?
27 to 37
So let's look at 37 now. Or we cannot pass with the endoscope?
Yeah, we can.
So we go to the bottom of our previous resection margin. Okay.
It's more or less here.
Okay. So it's here. Let's come back.
And yeah, I would say here.
Yeah. Okay. Keep coming back. Gently come back. So there's something down there, isn't there, at the 6 o'clock, which we should investigate further, I think. So that's that. Okay. I've just taken overview first. Keep coming back. Come back, come back, come back. So we come back to the top of the resection margin, and the whole time, let's have a look as we come back with insufflation and make sure that we don't have anything else going on. Keep coming back. Where was the lesion found, Zander?
35 centimeter.
So the bottom of this is 37. The top is what?
27.
27. Come back to 27.
So it's found at 3502.
So at the bottom of the resection margin, basically. Okay. Keep coming back.
Well, it's
That was the stenosis.
At 2012. Wait, 20 centimeters or what?
20 centimeters at 12.
Was, and that means you biopsied it and it showed dysplasia. Let's look at 20 and 12.
The biopsy at 35.2 and in situ SCC.
Low grade dysplasia or high grade dysplasia? At moderate. What is that? Do we have that? We don't have that. Right. What is that, Nima? Moderate dysplasia. Is that something Swedish between low and high?
It's absolutely not. We decided to use in the guidelines. We decided to use the phrase squamous cell neoplasia, right, to cover the whole spectrum. But if our pathologists feel like dividing it into low and high grade, fair enough. But moderate, I have absolutely no idea what that means.
Yeah, I also don't. Very frustrating. Okay, so again, Michele, let's try and synchronize what's happening here. Go to where he's saying his squamous biopsy of moderate dysplasia was, which is 20 centimeters at 12 o'clock.
So first I should go back to the stomach to
orientate. Yeah. That is presuming that the original reporting endoscopists did that, but I presume they did because they've reported a time.
Yeah, 20 centimeters is pretty far from
the resection.
Yeah, but also from the stomach and
also from the stomach
curvature.
So you got to work hard to keep your angles.
So let's put it in this way.
Great. So now you have neutral, a little bit more, maybe a little bit more. That's it. Perfect. So take the bend out of your hand because get it neutral. That's very good. Okay. Now come back. You can come closer with where my hand is if you want.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Anti. Good. I know. Now come back. Keep coming back. Back. Come back to 20. I'll keep going. I'll tell you when it is. That's 30, 25, 20. ish. Come back more. Probably BLI is what you want. And 12 o'clock, they say. Yeah, okay.
What do you want?
BLI.
BLI.
Yeah, come back. Come back. Moderate squamous dysplasia. And was that a focal biopsy?
Yeah, after look.
On a Lugol? Hmm.